All right, hello Olivia. I'm in your Tumblr and just trying to get into the theme. Okay, and maybe this is grade 7 stuff. And let's go back. Let's go back. Exit. Okay, here we go. Edit theme. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. If I type in 1:13:30, and yeah, there's no calculate button, so let's get the calculate button working. You have calculate, and this should be like a button tag, I guess. So button, and then the word calculate in between the close, the open and close of that. Whoops, daisy. Right here. On click, we are going to go to equals. We're going to go to this thing, the calculate function. So on click equals open quotes calculate open bracket close quotes. All right, so let's update the preview and not save. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll just copy all that and I'll put it inside a text box like that, just so I have it in case anything goes wrong. All right, and if I put in 1:13:30 and then press the calculate button, nothing happens, but let's look inside the JavaScript console, and it's saying unexpected token if. All right, and something else, calculate is not defined. Whoa. All right, so that's two things. So yeah, let's just move that down a bit. So it's saying calculate does not exist, but it surely does. So we have function calculate open bracket. Okay, yeah, we have this script type equals text, and what are we missing? We're missing an HTML tag, so I'm just going to put HTML like that. Put the close of the HTML way down at the bottom here. Okay, update the preview. Let's try that. 1:13:30 and calculate. All right, so yeah, it's saying there's a couple of things weird. Unexpected token if. Yeah. If we actually click on that, does anything happen? Nope. Okay, so it doesn't like an if somewhere. We have function calculate, if, else, if. Okay, you don't have any semicolons after your statements. You need to have those. Well, you don't need to. I mean, you should. It will work without them. Okay. Oh, you have a var here. It doesn't like the var just on its own. So that's why it's having a problem with the if. So let's update the preview. Let me save all of that. All right, back to here. So if I put in 1:13:30 and calculate. Oh, there we go. We're getting something. So it says, welcome, this A is 1, B is 13, groovy. And then we have all this ABC stuff, which is for the Pythagorean theorem thing, right? So yeah, I would get rid of all of that for now. But here you have the square root function. That's going to come in handy, right? Okay, so now remember the formula is, it's like x is equal to negative b plus or minus. I'm going to put a minus. B, the square root of. So root of b squared, which is b times b, minus 4 times a times c. And your a, b's, and c's are capitalized, eh? All right, so I should have done b root b times b, b times b minus 4 ac. Okay, so then you're dividing all of that, so I'm going to put all that in brackets, divided by 2 times a. Oops. In brackets, 2 times your a. Okay, now it's just that this part here in the square root, right? Like if this is a negative, it means you don't have any solution, right? If it's equal to 0, you only have the one solution. If it's bigger than 0, then you're going to have 2 solutions. So you might want to deal with that. All right, so then the next step is to, I don't want to show you because it's going to be basically show you the answer, but keep one of these handy because you're going to need it when you have to do the square root of that stuff. So there's your square root function, right? Nope. There's your square root function right here. Okay, so let's get rid of all this. You don't need it anymore. And then, figure out what your x is and print it the same way you did in the Pythagorean theorem. All right, try that. That should work. Give me a shout if you need any more help.